My name is Cille Tyler from Maryland, and I've been a Nurturing Program National Consultant since 1988. I am a parent and a grandparent, a former child welfare worker, and retired faculty member from the University of Maryland School of Social Work. I've always strived to create a more nurturing world with a specific interest in helping families facing multiple challenges. Years ago, as a new child protective service worker, there were few to zero parenting classes to meet the needs of the families with whom I worked. Also, I felt personally that parenting was one of the toughest and most important jobs there is, and while there are some good general principles, each child, each family is unique. I wanted to develop my own knowledge as well as assist other families. As a child protective service worker on 24-hour call, I learned very quickly that my best chance to protect the children was to help the parents, the entire family, be healthier. Initially, finding no course in the literature, I developed and delivered my own 6-week class with parents and children attending together. I did this on top of my 50-plus hour a week job as a CPS worker. Fast forward a few years, and I learned about the Nurturing Program for Parents and Children, a field-tested and researched family education program developed to meet the needs of families identified as abusive and neglectful, yet beneficial for all families. I found the key difference between the Nurturing Program and other programs was that in the Nurturing Program, emphasis was placed on self-awareness and helping the whole person, not just in their role as parent. It was strength-based and family-focused. Activities were affective as well as cognitive, addressed all the learning styles, and built in repetition to enhance learning, encouraged connections, and building community. Selfishly, as a human service practitioner, I enjoyed seeing the change in families within the context of the sessions. In my larger practice, I often could not see the difference my intervention had made. I went on to develop the Nurturing Family Camp, a weekend residential multifamily intervention based on the research of the Nurturing Program. How awesome and humbling to witness some significant progress and growth in families in just 48 hours. Currently, I am working in Maryland, primarily with child welfare units and local departments of social services, and with family support centers and early Head Start with the Maryland Family Network. I develop relationships with providers offering training, support, and consulting, and have become the conduit of the collective wisdom of multiple programs. I am deeply committed to strengthening families and have consistently found that the nurturing programs help to structure that process. The connections and social support that nurturing program provides are so important. Here's to keeping the hope of healthy families alive.